Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Is your phone feeling slow, or opening apps is taking too much time, or the phone is lagging without any reason? Don't worry, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you a few easy things you can do to make your phone faster. So let's get started. First thing, restart your phone. Yes, just switch it off and turn it back on. This small step can fix many small issues and make your phone fresh. Second thing is clear junk and cache files. For that, go to settings and find the storage. In my phone, it is under the battery and device care. And then tap on cache data and clear it. If you cannot find it in your phone like me, then go back and find the apps or app manager. Now manually select any apps which one you want to clear the cache data, like Google Chrome, and scroll down. You can see the storage. Tap on it, clear the cache, and that's it. You can do it for other apps also. Which apps you use most, like YouTube, Facebook, or maybe Instagram. Third thing is removing apps you don't use. Go to your settings and again go to apps or app manager. Now check if there are any apps you don't use anymore. Uninstall them, because less apps means more space and better speed. Fourth thing is turning off animations. First, go to settings and find the about phone. Tap on it and open the software information. Now tap on build number 5 to 7 times. Now developer options will be unlocked. Now go back, again go back, and you will find the developer option under the about phone. Search here the animations. Now turn off all the animation settings. And that's it. Fifth thing is update your phone. For that, go to settings, find the software or system, or maybe software updates. Tap on it, and if you find any update available, then install it, because updates can fix bugs and help your phone work faster. So these are 5 easy and quick way to make your phone faster. No need for any extra app, just small changes from your phone settings. Try them and you will feel the difference. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.